What's up guys, it's me Geek. So if you wanna install some APK of the apps but you don't know how to install, you need to turn on the install unknown apps. We go to setting, click type unknown, just click install unknown app. It will be under the security and privacy. I can maybe show you much better like this. Go to setting, go to the security and privacy, and then there will be like install apps from unknown location, where it's going more, click more, and you can easily install unknown apps, download apps from unknown source. Okay, yeah, so install app from unknown, install unknown apps. Okay, no, allow. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to click on. Again, it's up to you, but again make sure you are installing the right app, which can be like a security hazard. It was me, Jimmy.